People who stay up late are usually single. Random facts. You won't be able to answer the last question. People are attracted to people with the same taste of music. If all the world's wealth was split equally between people, every person would get $56,000. An average person produces enough earwax to make a small wax statue in his lifetime. Now you can see who has blocked you here on TikTok. Just click on Share, then click on More, and select Blocked. If you don't see this option, it's because no one has blocked you yet. Eating 2 burgers is healthier than eating 1 large-sized burger. Did you know that it's impossible for you to remember the beginning of your dream? Comment, "I dreamt," and let your keyboard finish the sentence for you. No comment of these will have 0 likes. If there is a comment with 0 likes, that means they are the chosen one. Sharks don't have eyelids, that's why they can't close their eyes. The Antarctica is the only continent that doesn't have bees or snakes. And now for the last question. If you had the chance to become a superhero, which one would you choose to be?